Today in this video, we're going to take a look at the best tattoo gun kit with power supply and cartridge needle kit for your decision to ensure you get the best value for your needs. Promotion smart technology for smoother visuals and more responsive touch. We'll compare the best tattoo gun kit with power supply and cartridge needle. Promotion smart technology for smoother visuals and more responsive touch on the market and list their features and prices. For both aspiring and seasoned tattoo artists, having a reliable tattoo kit is crucial. The Rotary Tattoo Gun Kit with Power Supply is a comprehensive solution that offers quality and versatility. This kit comes with a rotary tattoo machine, which is known for its quiet operation and reduced vibration compared to traditional coil machines. Its ergonomic design ensures comfort during extended sessions, enhancing precision and control. The kit includes a power supply unit that provides consistent voltage, crucial for maintaining steady performance and achieving consistent results. The power supply is user-friendly and often features adjustable settings, allowing artists to tailor the machine's output to their needs. One of the standout features of this kit is its 10-piece cartridge needle set. Cartridge needles are highly regarded for their convenience and hygiene. They allow for quick changes and reduce the risk of cross-contamination, making them a preferred choice in professional settings. The variety of needle types included in the set caters to different styles and techniques, from fine line work to shading and coloring. Overall, this rotary tattoo gun kit with a power supply and cartridge needles offers a solid blend of functionality and quality. It is suitable for both beginners who need a reliable all-in-one setup and experienced artists seeking a dependable addition to their toolkit. Whether you're setting up your first studio or upgrading your current equipment. Thank you for watching the video.